Hello, my name is Shelby Grams, and my father Jay is currently out of the office as he has trigeminal neuralgia, which is a painful nerve in the face. But he says the show must go on, so I'm going to give you my best impression of this 1968 Ford Mustang California Special. All of the pictures and information is on our website at volocars.com. So it's a baby Shelby. No, not me. I'm talking about the car. The California Special was a limited production Mustang that was only sold for 1 year, and only in California. They all started as a GT and then were trimmed out with several Shelby features. It even has the J code 302, which is the same engine that was in the Shelby GT 350. This one is documented with a Marti Report and is authentic. The color combo is killer, and the car has received a very detailed full restoration. Also, it's loaded with features that make it an awesome driver. You'll get noticed anywhere you go in this rare classic. So go to volocars.com, and that is where you'll find a price tag on this one and about 200 more collector cars. And each one will have a monthly finance payment as well. So now join me and let's go for a spin. What a great color combo. The white accents against the candy apple red paint is stunning and really makes this car pop. The paint was neatly applied with expert detail and is polished to a glossy, smooth, and reflective finish. The car is 100% laser straight when looking down the side of it, and all of the panels have been beautifully aligned with gaps that are consistent throughout. And the doors, let's see, open and close very easily like a new car. It is a California Special that upgrades includes the dual vented hood with turn signals and hood locks. It also has Shelby scoops on each side and Shelby dovetail trunk. And in back it also has the Shelby taillights and a pop-up gas cap and GT quad exhaust tips. The package also includes a blacked out grille with Shelby Lucas fog lamps and side stripes. The bright white vinyl top nicely complements the side stripe with GTCS monikers and the correct California Special emblems that are in place as well. The bumpers are remaining chrome that all have a beautiful shine to them. It is equipped with dual sport mirrors, twist-style hood pins, and a manually operated antenna. The Shelby 10-spoke rims are wrapped in a nice set of BF Goodrich Radial T tires with raised white lettering. They are size 235/60 in the rear and have lots of tread left on them. Now let's go look at the inside of this car.
Wait, we're not going to the inside yet. Hey everybody, I just wanted to say hi and put my 2 cents in on this car. My face is burning right now. We'll see how we can do this. What I wanted to show you was the turn signals. Now she had said they're Shelby turn signals, and that is correct, but actually they're Thunderbird turn signals. That's where Shelby got them from. They're from a 1965 Thunderbird. They're sequential because they blink across. Now she mentioned dovetail trunk. That's this dovetail. It's a fiberglass and fiberglass end caps, same as the Shelby. And then coming around, when we get to the front, it has the turn signals built into the hood louvers. Might be able to catch a glimpse of that right there. You got the Shelby scoop. Now the California Special came with GT wheels. Now someone's gone ahead and added a set of reproduction Shelby 10-spoke wheels. That really sets it off along with these great colors. I bought this car down in Tennessee, and I bought it because of how it looks. Now, as we come around to the front, Lucas fog lamps. Those are authentic. That's what Shelby used, Lucas fog lamps, and they work too. The original switch is under the dash. It was not added to this car. It's part of the package. So it's got some cool lighting features, great colors, the wheels, has the Marti Report to document the car. And yeah, it feels good to be on the turntable. So I'll let Shelby take it over for a little bit here, and we'll see how I hold up. So far, so good. Turn the key off, too. All right, take it away, Shelby.
Now the bottom side of the trunk lid and jambs are painted a beautiful gloss red. The builder installed a new weather strip, seat divider, trunk mat, decal, and even rubber stoppers. Inside is all clean metal, and the gas tank and filler neck were also replaced. And it is complete with optional trunk light as well inside. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when the next video is posted. Now looking at the inside, the jambs are painted real slick, just like the body, and the weather stripping was even replaced. Now this interior looks absolutely new, top to bottom. The door panels have been replaced, and the builder used the original straps and handles that look fantastic. The dash pad was replaced as well, and the remainder of the dash was neatly restored. It is even complete with its original GTCS California special emblems. The bezel, gauges, knobs, climate controls all have a great original look to them. The radio has been upgraded with a retro digital unit that fits in the factory hole. And just look at how nice everything really is in this car. The steering column and steering wheel both have a fresh look, and the real wood grain steering wheel fits your hand perfectly. The rear view mirror, visors, headliner, and carpeting have all been replaced as well. The low back bucket seats look new with fresh upholstery, and the builder added an aftermarket center console with some nice modern amenities like a built-in armrest, storage, and cup holders. The original automatic shifter is floor mounted and has been beautifully restored. The dome light and door marker lights are in working condition. In the rear, the back seat and shelf have both been refinished and look amazing as well. Now let's go check out that engine compartment. Now looking under the hood, I really appreciate how this engine bay was finished. It's very sharply detailed, and that impressed me. The Performance J-Code 302 is the same motor used in the Shelby GT 350. This one fires right up and runs very smoothly. It features flat top pistons, a 4-barrel intake, and carb, and has a recurve distributor too. This car is upgraded with a fresh Holley carburetor and air conditioning as well. It was ordered from the factory with power steering and brakes. The engine has been nicely dressed in a chrome air cleaner and ribbed Ford racing valve covers. The radiator and shroud looking new along with reproduction clamps and hoses. Everything looks fresh, including the components, brackets, bolts, wiring, rubber seals, and more. It is equipped with the optional underhood light and turn signals built into the hood as well. The underside of the hood is neatly painted red, and the fender wells and firewall are painted satin black. The windshield squirters and horns are also hooked up.
You know, Shelby, this car has a little bit of both of us in it. It's a J-code motor, and it's in a baby Shelby. Yeah, it's a beautiful motor compartment. This is show quality. I love the Ford racing valve covers. Look at even underneath the hood. Here's the louvers I was talking about with the turn signals, but it's got it all. Nice, clean metal from California. Good job, Shelby. I appreciate you been helping out.
All the components look fresh under this car. All of the steering components have been replaced, including the power steering cylinder and lines. The front suspension looks good with newer springs, bushings, and components. It has been upgraded with a fatter sway bar up front, and a rear sway bar is also in place with fresh bushings as well. The rear leaf springs have been replaced as well as the shocks on this car, and the front disc brakes were also redone and include new lines. The rear drum brakes have a fresh look to them, and the emergency brake is hooked up as well. Now this car is equipped with a full dual exhaust system that has a cross pipe and glass pack style mufflers. The exhaust exits under the rear valance through sharp looking polished splitter tips, and the fuel system has all fresh lines, a tank and sending unit. And looking up at the J-Code 302 V8 engine, it looks spotless with fresh Ford blue paint. The C4 automatic transmission looks like it has been serviced and is very clean as well. And the 9-inch rear end is looking good with fresh black paint, and the floors look solid as well and rust-free with a thin undercoating. So this is a special Mustang that's very rare and desirable. It's a baby Shelby. Actually, there's nothing baby about this car. If Shelby built a coupe, this is what it would be. This is a very nicely restored example with a great curb appeal and a long list of options to make it a comfortable driver car for you. So go to volocars.com or give us a call, and the salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get financing. And thanks for watching.